Hello students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 13, circles. Let me understand the concept of circle. Here you can see that I have drawn some figure, triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, and also circle is there. Have you noticed one difference between these four shapes and circle? You can clearly observe that these four shapes are made by line segment, but there is no line segment in the circle, as line segment is a straight path, but there is no straight path in the circle. Okay, so we can say that circle is a closed plane figure which is not made by any line segment. In your surrounding, in your environment, you can see many objects which are like circle. For example, uh, the coin, that is example of circle. Bangle is example of circle, and CD is also example of circle. Plate in your kitchen is also example of circle, and many more examples in the environment which are examples of circle. Can you say that this ball is example of circle? No, this is not example of circle, because circle is a plane figure. Okay, it is a plane figure, it is two-dimensional figure, and ball is a solid figure. So ball is example of sphere. Okay, circle is a closed plane figure. Okay, plane figure means two-dimensional figure. We can also use these objects to draw the circle. Here I am going to draw a circle with the help of this coin. You can also draw a circle by using bangle, by using CD, but exactly in mathematics we use compass to draw the circle. Okay, let me learn more about the circle. That is element. First is elements of circle. So circle, there are some elements of circle. First is semicircle, then quarter of circle. Let me discuss about the semicircle. As a semicircle is half of the circle, here I have a circle and I am going to fold this circle. As I fold it from the middle, I get the half of the circle. So semicircle, what is semicircle? Semicircle is the half of the circle. If I open this, you will get two semicircles in the circle. Okay, it means a circle has two semicircles. And next element is quarter of circle. If I again fold these circles, I get 1/4 part of the circle. So this 1/4 part of the circle is known as the quarter of circle. Okay, again I am going to open this circle. How many quarters are there in a circle? There are 4 quarters in the circle. Now I am going to draw the creasing lines here. So these two lines are intersecting at this point, and this point will be the center of the circle. Okay, so these are the elements of circle. Now the next is the radius of circle. Let me understand what is radius of circle. A line segment joining the center of circle to any point on the circle is called its radius. Okay, so radius is a line segment which join the center of circle to any point on the circle. That will be the radius of circle. Okay, so here OA is the radius of the circle. If I draw one more line which join the center of the circle and the point beyond the circle. OB is also the radius of circle. Again, I am joining point C and O, and this will be also the radius of the circle. So a circle has many radii, and the length of all the radii will be equal. You can see here, I am going to measure the length of the radius. Here about 2.5 centimeter. OB is 2.5 centimeter. OA is also 2.5 centimeter, and OC is also 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so we can say that a circle have many radii. Radii is the plural form of radius. Okay, so a circle can have many radii, and length of all the radii are equal. Next is diameter of circle. A line segment passes through the center of circle, and its end point lie on the circle is called diameter of the circle. Okay, it means एक लाइन जो सर्कल के सेंटर से पास करती है और उसके एंड पॉइंट सर्कल की बाउंड्री के ऊपर लाई करते हैं, दैट विल बी द diameter of the circle. So here is the line which is passing through the center of the circle. Center means point O, and its end point end points A and B lying on the circle. So this will be the diameter of the circle. Again, I am drawing a line which is passing through the center of the circle and its end points lying on the circle. So CD is also diameter of the circle, and one more line, it is also passing through the center of the circle and its end point lies on the circle. So EF is also diameter of the circle. So like radius, a circle also have many diameters, and length of all the diameters are equal. You can see here AB. The length of AB is 5 centimeter. The length of CD is also 5 centimeter, and the length of DE is also 5 centimeter. Okay. Now the next one is the relation between radius and diameter of circle. Here I have drawn a circle. If you see the line segment OA, the line segment OA is the radius of the circle. And if you see AB, then AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, OA is the radius of the circle and AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, let me measure OA. OA is 4 centimeter. Length of OA is 4 centimeter, and length of AB is 8 centimeter. Here, if I double the radius, we get diameter, and if I half the diameter, we get radius. Okay, so it is the relation between diameter and radius, that radius is half of diameter. And diameter is twice of radius. ओके, अगर आप रेडियस को डबल कर देंगे तो आपको डायमीटर की लेंथ मिल जाएगी, और अगर आप डायमीटर की लेंथ का हाफ कर देंगे तो आपको रेडियस की लेंथ मिल जाएगी. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कॉर्ड ऑफ सर्कल. व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? अ लाइन सेगमेंट हुज एंड पॉइंट्स lie on the circle is called chord of circle. Okay, here is the definition: whose end points lie on the circle. तो एक लाइन सेगमेंट जिसके एंड पॉइंट सर्कल की बाउंड्री के ऊपर लाई करते हैं, दैट इज कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल. हेयर इज द लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी हुज एंड पॉइंट्स आर लाई ऑन द सर्कल, सो it will be the chord of circle. Now I am again marking one more line segment, that is CD, It is also chord of the circle. If I draw a line segment EF, the end points also lies on the circle. Can we say that it is chord of the circle? Yes, it is also chord of circle, because according to line segment, the end point of chord is lying on the circle, and the line segment EF also have the end points on the circle. So we can say that diameter is also chord of the circle. Let me measure all these chords we have drawn. The length of AB is 4 centimeter. The length of CD is 4.7 centimeter. And the length of EF is 5 centimeter. You can see that all the lengths are the different. So a circle also have many chords, and length of all the chords are different, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. So these are the facts about the chord of the circle. And next one is arc of circle. What is arc of circle? Arc means the part of circle. The part of the circle is called arc of circle. Here I have drawn a circle. The some part of the circle is dotted and some is marked with blue color, and this blue color part is the arc of the circle. Okay, so what is arc of circle? The part of the circle is called the arc of the circle, and while writing name of the arc, we write it with the three letters to the endpoints of the arc and one point which is lying between these two points. So arc of circle is A, B, C with the symbol of arc. Okay, ABC is the arc of the circle. Okay, when it is semicircle, half of the circle, then it will be called semicircle. When the arc is smaller than semicircle, then it will be minor arc, and when the arc is greater than semicircle, then it will be major arc. Okay, and then last one is circumference of circle. Then the circumference of circle is the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter means the total length of the boundary, that is circumference. If we measure the length of the boundary of the circle, that will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, so these are some terms about the circle. Watch the video and understand all these terms. In next video we will solve the worksheet based on it. Thank you.